Now we are going to talk about the new terms, the connected terms and Wilson terms. That information is not for stupid people. The theory of numbers is different of numerology. Numerology is a pseudoscience and it's not for ignorant people. And the Wilson's term is used for to try to prove that a number is prime or not. Okay, and according with Wilson, we are going to use this equation, and if P is prime, C could be integer. My term is different. Now we are going to use two different numbers, and we could believe that P is prime and N is an integer lower than P. And using these equations, if P is prime, C will be integer. We are going to see some examples. First, using Wilson, if P is 5, using the equation of Wilson, we have that the value of C is 5. That is an integer value. That means that 5 is prime. And for the case of P equal 7, using Wilson's, we have other value that is integer 2. But if we try to use other number like 6, then the value of C is not integer. And when you use the Wilson's theorem, and for this case, we want to do a thing that C is not prime. But for a number like 11, using Wilson, we are going to try to use bigger numbers, and using Wilson is more complex. Now you can see that according with Wilson, 11 is a prime number, but we are going to need to use a computer or a sentence calculator for to get the value of C. But using the new theorem, for the case of P equals 5 and N equal 3, we can calculate that C is integer, then 5 is prime. If you use P equal 7 and N equal 4, the value of C is 5, and then 7 will be prime. And for other case, when we are using N equal 6 and P equal 11, we are going to conclude that P is prime. This method is easier than Wilson, and you can operate with a computer or a scientific calculator. Warning: if you are a Salesian Catholic or an American trumpet, that information is not for you. You are so stupid that you cannot understand these things. The people with have proof of being Catholic or the proof of being Texan doesn't read this information. Okay,